Hi, I'm Dean Jenkins with FollowMeTrades.com. Does the market uncertainty have you just a little bit worried? Well, there's some legitimate reasons for concern. We've got the Fed interest rate change coming up. We've got the presidential election in just a few short weeks. And we've been in a bull market for 7 years that looks like it's a little bit overvalued, and it may be time for a correction. And global events. There could be something that happened that just triggers a correction in the market. I'm going to give you my analysis for what I think is going to happen next based on my techniques and the tools that I use. And I've been right for several years now using these tools. I can't call the exact top, but I can read the signs. I can tell when the market's going to turn. Back in the summer of 2015, I'll move my chart just a little bit to the left so you can see it here. Back in the summer of 2015, there was a very clear pattern. Using technical analysis and simple Dow theory, when we see a low, a lower high, and a new low, that's a sign. That's a clear technical indicator that the trend could be changing. You can see in the summer of 2015, of course, it dropped dramatically. And then at the end of last year, as we pull this back a little bit, same pattern happened. Same pattern happened, a low, a lower high, a new low, and down it goes. Also, the rally in gold at the beginning of this year, we called that. You can see here we called it at 1113 using the same analysis tools. We said, looks like the rally in gold started, and you can see there it went. And the rally in oil at the beginning of this year as well. Oil here at 3709, we said we saw a pattern for a recovery in oil, and there it went as well. I have a weekly newsletter where I give an update every week. It's a free newsletter, and you can subscribe to that. There's a little eye up here in the corner. You click on that, and you can get the update every week, again, for free. My updates on the broad market indexes, on gold, and on oil. We've been in a bull market for 7 years now, and it really looks like we're starting to put in a top. And we could get ready for a correction down to these levels, 38.2 to 61.8 Fibonacci retracement levels. Now, has it started yet? It's not clear. But we do see on the daily charts, we see a low and currently a lower high. If we go in and put in a new low and we break out of the Ichimoku cloud, it could be starting. It could be starting. And again, that may be some weeks out. The election may be the catalyst for that. We'll have to wait and see, but it could be starting. We could go put in some incremental highs before it starts too. We'll know in a few months probably whether it's turning out. We'll have time, and I'll be providing updates on that. Gold has put in a medium-term top. I think that's the top for now, at least until the markets and the equity markets correct and head down. So I'm not taking any long trades on gold anymore. We got our trades. We made some good money on that. Oil recovery is still definitely possible. We need to stay above this low, and we need to go put in new highs. Not proven yet, but if it's so, it's got a long way to go up. The OPEC meeting in Algiers next week could be the catalyst for that, for a direction to be set. So again, I'll be providing updates based on the reality of the charts, beyond the noise of the headlines. I look forward to giving that update, and I hope you subscribe, and thank you, and we'll catch you on the next one.